Hello everyone, today we'll be having an honest review of the Zoer AI and welcome to Tutorials by David. Zoer AI is an AI powered no code app builder that turns um, plain language into ideas working web application with front end, back end, and database, plus an AI built in AI assistant to refine your app. Perfect for founders, non technical creators, or rapid prototyping. Pros is that it handles full stack generation in one place, uses beginner friendly natural language prompts, and offers affordable plans, including a free tier. Cons is that customization is limited for complex apps. The platform is relatively new with low trust scores on some verification sites, and community feedback notes occasional bugs and feature gaps common to early stage AI builders. So the verdict is that it is great for quick, simple apps, but exercise caution with complex projects and verify the platform before paying.